In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a drop-down calendar in LibreOffice Calc. By the end, you'll have a clickable calendar right inside your spreadsheet, perfect for clean, consistent date entry without typos. First, open LibreOffice Calc. You can start with a new spreadsheet or open an existing file where you want the calendar. With your sheet ready, go to the top menu and choose View, then hover over Toolbars and turn on Form Controls. This opens a floating toolbar that lets you add interactive form elements to your sheet. On the Form Controls toolbar, look for the Date field icon. If you don't see it immediately, click the More Controls button at the end of the toolbar to reveal additional options. Hovering your mouse over the icons will show tooltips to help you identify them. Once you've found Date field, click it to activate that tool. Now move back to your spreadsheet and click and drag to draw the Date field box where you want the calendar to appear. You can resize it later, so don't worry about making it perfect on the first try. After placing the box, right-click it and choose Control Properties. This opens a detailed settings window for the control. In the Properties window, stay on the General tab. Scroll down until you see the option called Drop Down, and change it to Yes. This is the key setting that enables the calendar pop-up when users click the arrow. While you're here, you can also adjust optional details like the date format, a default date, or even minimum and maximum allowed dates if you want to constrain entries. These aren't required, but they can help standardize data and prevent errors. Close the Properties window when you're done. Before you can use the calendar, you need to turn off Design Mode. On the Form Controls toolbar, click the Design Mode icon, often shown as a hand pointing at a button, so that Design Mode is disabled. If Design Mode is left on, the control will remain in editing mode and won't open the calendar. Now test it. Click the small arrow on your date field. You should see a calendar pop up, and you can pick any date with a single click. If you want more date fields, simply copy and paste the control to other locations on your sheet and adjust their size for readability. If you ever need to change settings later, toggle Design Mode back on, right-click the control, open Control Properties, make your adjustments, and then turn Design Mode off again to continue using it. Don't forget to save your spreadsheet to keep your new calendar.